Hey guys, how you doing? So we're working on a garden tractor, and today we're going to be installing this winch. Hopefully it helps me with my implements, because these suckers, they're pretty heavy. So that's what we're doing. We're installing a winch. Let's go ahead and take this off here. There we go. So I got this off. Found a place, looks like it'll mount well here. So I'm just gonna line it up a little bit. I found down here, I was able to just put a bolt in. Pretty simple. And it looks like it has enough range. Looks like it has enough range to lift up. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up, drill a hole, get this part mounted, at least for today, and then keep working at it. So that's what we're doing. Mounted in the back. Let's go ahead and mount the solenoid. I measured here. Most importantly, I made sure I'm not drilling into the fuel tank. Good, we missed it. Perfect. Not a lot of working room on here. Like none. Well, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and get that cinched up. So that mounted well. So we got lots of room for our cables. There. Yeah. Lots of clearance space. Perfect. Okay, now I have to get the leads to the battery. So I'm gonna come through this box here. That's dirty. Yeah, we're gonna come through that box. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole. I'm gonna make it nice, clean. That should be good right there. So let me go get a file, clean it up, and I'll get the cable in. We got through. Now, we're just going to go ahead and attach the fuse. Goes on the positive. So it looks like a 50 amp. These guys on, and we're good for the battery. So let's go ahead and check it out. This one comes with a wireless unit here. See? So let's go ahead and test it out. Looks like it's working. I just have to clean it up a little bit, and that's good. Sweet. So it looks like it's working. It's getting late right now. I just want to say thanks for watching, and tomorrow I'll go ahead and put on my rake or my plow and see how it lifts it. So, but anyhow, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody modify your little old garden tractor, bring some more life into it. So till next time, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.